Our house experienced a whole house flood. As you enter, you'll see walls that have been cut. The drywall's been cut in many areas, nearly the entire home, 2 feet. Some of the furniture was damaged. Some's out in a pod. We'll just go down the hall first. You can see the hallway. Cabinets, shelves cut out. Drywall's removed everywhere. Door frames cut. Here's one room. Same deal. The rooms will need to be repainted, baseboards put in, refloored in the carpeted rooms, insulation put in exterior walls. This room sustained the most damage. This is the master bedroom. Every wall was cut. You can literally see into the bathroom from the door. Every contractor who has come in has stated that this is a catastrophe. The vanity has been removed from the sink area. They're not sure if it's going to be able to be saved. And a huge issue is this crack in the ground. Need to put sand underneath the foundation because the sand came up from underneath. All right, moving on. Here's the second bathroom. Get a little privacy with this tarp draped so you can't see in. Another area where drywall needs to be fixed. See the door frames cut. Some actual doors were cut off. The door framings, not just the decorative molding. Here's another room. Same thing. Had to have the house rerouted, the pipe. There's more issues under the ground. Probably have to repipe the house. The copper pipes are 47 years old and they said they're all going to start breaking. This exterior wall, well, all of them need insulation, and this one has moisture coming through, so it needs a little bit more work done to it. Yeah, the furniture wasn't removed, but it's damaged. And another room. Same thing. This one didn't get it as bad. There's an exterior wall, needs insulation, baseboards. Did have drywall cut out of it also. This is devastating for us. All right, moving on. We're going back up the hall. This is where I had entered the door. And let's see. I'm not sure if I went here in this room. They're showing the drywall. Then we have this room here. They were able to save this entertainment unit. There's holes cut all in it. Should be able to just fix it by putting baseboard around it. I wanted to cut this wall, but didn't need to in the end. So it'll just be baseboard. Then our kitchen. They were able to save it, thank God. They cut all the kick plates off. So that just needs to be replaced, and some damaged areas here. Then they have all the way in the back, it'll be easier to see where the dishwasher was. They drilled holes in the drywall out to the exterior of the home. So all that would have to be fixed as well. So that's basically the house. Oh yeah. Also, the fireplace has efflorescence, so that needs to be cleaned. It's hard to find somebody to come out and do that. Oh, thank you for watching.